Jamie Malonzo's contract with the B-League team Kyoto Hanaris has been terminated and he's now currently a free agent. You know what time it is? Hands in. Grabe, after 5 games, tinanggal kagad si Jamie Malonzo dun sa B-League team. Matatandaan natin that a few months ago, Jamie Malonzo announced that he will not be resigning with the Barangay Ginebra San Miguel dito sa PBA because there was an opportunity overseas, which is a B-League sa Japan. He signed with Kyoto Hanaris and unfortunately for him, they got off to not the best start. They only got 1 win and 4 losses sa kanilang naunang campaign sa first 5 games. Considering that Kyoto Hanaris was expecting a little bit more from him, given that he is somewhat of an Asian import, and I think Kyoto has a really good reputation in the B-League. And at the end of the day, business pa rin naman siya. Pero ito lang talaga yung risk pag lilipat ka sa ibang bansa. It's either your career goes really well or mangangapa at magsistruggle ka talaga sa una gaya ng nangyayari kay Jamie. I don't think there's a plan for him to make it back to the PBA. Kasi ayon sa mga nakita ko, sakop din pala siya nung 3-year ban. Kasi recently may ganun yung PBA yan. Kapag hindi mo pinili yung PBA, hindi ka pwede maglaro dun sa liga for the next 3 years. Which I will always think is such a weird rule, but okay, we move on. Pero nag-story din si Jamie na nakikita niya nga daw lahat ng mga speculations, nakikita niya lahat ng mga nagsisend ng thoughts, concerns, prayers, at parang nag-hint siya na magsistay pa rin siya sa Japan. Kung dito siya maglalaro sa Pilipinas at hindi maging maganda yung takbo niya doon, I think he's gonna be playing in the MPBL. Pero kung may mahanap siya na team and they are still in works, it's very possible and very likely that he will be staying in the B-League.